Today I'm going to show you Mem0. Mem0 has the ability to store information in a vector database. I'm using Qdrant. I will also have all the information that you need inside the description of this video. So you're going to install Qdrant and you're going to install it for Windows. You can do that. You can install Qdrant without having to install it on Docker. And if you did it on Docker, you can run it as a service. In the application I'm about to show you, we will go and have a login. So the login will be associated to your own memories. So, or will help associate to your own memories. So this is Mem0 and it'll be in the GitHub link and we're going to be using that today. Sorry, this code wasn't working for me quite well for a little while, so it's taking a bit of time. Let's see, chat window, sorry. So the first thing we're going to look at is the Qdrant app. And that's not this one, it is this one running. So once you have it running, you're going to see something similar to this up on the screen whenever, and you're going to have that maintain up and running while you're using your code in your program. Now, next we're going to look at where you download it. So you can download the Qdrant app. Excuse me, 1 second. Here. So on this link, go to your Windows download. Where is it here? It's the fourth one down, and just extract it and then run Qdrant. The app will be up and running, and then after that you're going to have some code. So the code that I have, I'm using Flask. I'm running it locally using a Python server. So there'll be a couple of pip installs that you'll have to do to actually get it up and running correctly. If you try to run it and it doesn't work, the terminal will tell you, hey, I haven't got this installed. Just install that because I haven't created a requirements file for this time. So this is the chat window right now, and you can see it's up and running. But I'm just going to turn off the server to demonstrate that it does actually have memory. So we reload that. You might see my screen going a bit buggy because I'm using a local LLM, but you can connect this up to any LLM that you want. There is a config file for you to do so. So now that I've now started up the server again. So if I were to look at my memory on my PC at the moment, it would be quite low down currently. In fact, I think I might be able to do something small to help. Maybe that will do something. Okay, so now we're going to be back up and running, Control F5, and I'm going to log in as Owen this time. And there's nothing in our conversation history. So I can say, first of all, hello. And it will look at some of the memories and see if it's actually something that it should say to me. But that's up to Llama 3.1 in this case, and I don't control its output so much. But it does know who I am, or should do immediately. So I've currently got a Llama running, OBS Studio running, Qdrant running. Okay, so let's see. How many kids do I have? Okay, so I previously stored this information and I'll show you how to do that now. I just like to check that it's actually doing what I wanted it to do. You have 2 kids, Lucas and Cece. Now, what is my full name? Owen James Christopher Rodriguez Tolster. Correct. Okay, so now if we want to store information, so store I am disappointed in Star Wars recently. Okay, so that will then trigger the Qdrant, which I think I'll just bring up onto the thing here, to be called by the software with the Llama to store it as a JSON file, or which would be creating it'd be creating an embedding using Nomic, which I think you can see here. If I just minimize, just that way. So when you run this application, as I said, initially I'm using Llama 3.1. But when I run this application, it will automatically download the Nomic embeddings for you to be able to do so. Nomic embeddings are not the greatest, but they are accessible and easy to use, and this application is currently running it. You can run other ones that are better. So as you can see, memory is successfully stored. So previously I said I like Stargate. What sci-fi do I like and not like? So this is for mostly for personalization, but I'm also thinking that it can be used for agents. So create 50 different users, 50 different ways of doing things, and allow them to run. It won't be running on my system because I have 12 GB of VRAM, but you enjoy science fiction content, specifically Stargate franchise. Unfortunately, it seems you are not a fan of Star Wars lately. Would you like some sci-fi recommendations that align with your tastes? Maybe privately, I will. Anywho, thank you. So we've covered Qdrant, Mem0. We have a chatbot. Everything is in the description, and have a nice day.